Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Lego death from this new Puss in Boots movie. The torso and legs come from this Knight of Ren. The first cloth piece comes from Reva. The second cloth piece comes from this Episode 7 Kylo Ren. The head I used comes from Raven. And finally, the headpiece comes from this Chima Wolf. I couldn't find all the parts for it, so I had to just make do with a picture from Bricklink. Building the minifigure correctly should result in one looking like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build it. Considering I haven't seen the movie, I think I've done an alright job of recreating it, even though I may have seen some better ones on Instagram. If you did enjoy this video, maybe consider leaving a like and subscribing if you haven't done either of those already, and maybe leave an idea if you have one. If you enjoyed this video, you may want to check out my Mr. Bean tutorial that should be on the end screen for you now.